Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm here to help you stay connected. In this video, we're going to learn how to add trunks to Elastix 2.5. First, we need to go to the PBX tab from the system's main display. Once you load up, you will see over on the side there is trunks. You click on that, and in here you will see a list of trunks that are already pre-configured. Your provider may be here or may not be. If it is, you can go ahead and use it. If not, we're going to add a SIP trunk. Click on that. Now for our purposes, we're just going to start off with test. That's what we're going to call our trunk. The outbound caller ID is what you would use if you're wanting to set up an outbound phone number. We're going to enter and then further down, this is where we start getting into all the other nitty-gritty details. We can hold off on doing any of the dial patterns because we're going to do that in our outgoing calling plan. In here, you're going to see a trunk name. We're just going to put outgoing. You can call it pretty much whatever you want here. For the peer details, there's already some included here. I'm actually going to erase all of these because I have them preset. Now, if you look over here, trunk name, example, outgoing, we are going to select all of this. So we're going to select all of this. We're going to copy it, Control-C, and then Control-V, post it in here. I'll make sure to include more details about what is involved in here. This information is stuff that you're going to want to get from your provider. So whoever your VoIP provider is going to be, that's who you're going to want to talk to get all this details. You'll see there'll be the username, the type you're looking at, your secret, which is your password, RFC2833 compensate, in our case we put yes, DTMF information, progress and ban. Most importantly, you need to know the host because the system needs to know who to talk to. And of course, what kind of codecs you're going to be using. In our case, we got ULA. Going further down, you're going to go into the user context, which is the incoming. And again, we are going to scroll down. I'm just going to take this information and delete it. And then we get our settings here. We'll go into more detail of these in a moment. I'm going to post them here. Now a lot of these settings are very similar to what you saw up above. Your username, type it, which is a peer, secret, the host that you're contacting, a lot of these may be very similar. Again, you can look at my example here, or you can go, which is more important, contact your VoIP provider and get some of these details. Now your registration string, also very important, you're probably not going to connect up without it. Depending on what your provider has, is often going to be your phone number and password, and then the host that it's at. So I'll give you an example here. So using the example where our username is login1 and our secret password is this is my password, your registration string would look like this: login1 : this is my password at, and then either the IP address or the DNS name of that IP address / login1, which is our username again. So this is what I've used for a number of my providers, and it works. Again, check with your VoIP provider for these specific details. Once you've completed this step, you can submit your changes, and then it will ask you to apply the configuration. Once it's done, you just hit Apply Config, and it's up and running. That SIP trunk, although it's not an active one, is more for demonstration purposes, but now that is set up. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and gave you a little bit of information. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.